Descriptive writing, a skill that can be applied to various writing styles. But how can you improve your descriptive writing skills? Stay tuned because this video will outline exercises that will help you develop your descriptive writing skills. Welcome authors to Next Level Writing. In this video, we will identify 5 fun descriptive writing exercises to help improve your writing. Before we get to the exercises, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Let's not waste any more time. It's time for exercise. And here are the 5 exercises that we will go through in this video. Each one of these exercises is a little bit different and will require you to use different skills. So feel free to try as many as you like until you find your favorite. To help you complete each of these exercises, there is a special writing tool. It is called the description bubble, and it is simply a must-have when developing descriptive writing skills. But what is the description bubble? Let's find out. Here is the description bubble. In the center is the object or thing that you wish to describe, and on the outside are categories to help jolt your imagination. The exercises in this video will involve this description bubble one way or another. Let's go straight away to exercise number 1. Exercise 1, vocabulary building. Vocabulary building is a quick and simple exercise. Simply select an object, pick one category from the description bubble, and list as many words as you can from that category to describe the object. Now, with any exercise, there are different ways that you could adapt them, so let's see some possible changes you could make. First up, time challenge. How many words can you come up with in a set amount of time? Multiple categories. How many words can you come up with from multiple categories? Antonyms. How many words can you come up with that don't describe the object? An alphabet challenge. How many words can you come up with that start with a specific letter? Exercise 2, mix and match. Mix and match forces your brain to do heavy lifting by describing an object using only a few categories from the description bubble. You can select the categories yourself or get someone else to challenge you. Here are some further alterations to this exercise. Complex or compound? What type of sentences can you write using the description bubble categories you have? Paragraph writing. Can you write a paragraph using the description bubble? Building down. Why don't you start with all the categories and slowly remove one category at a time? Exercise 3, character description. Character description is a fun way to practice your descriptive writing skills. Choose a character and play around with the categories of the description bubble to describe the character. You can use as many categories as you like. Looking for some variety? Why don't you try some of these adjustments? Focus on unique. Try and only describe the very unique features of your character. Hero or villain. Try and use words that make the character sound like a hero or a villain. An arch enemy. What words can you come up with that are opposite to your character? Exercise 4, world building. From characters to entire worlds. The world building exercise is not for the faint of heart. This exercise is more of a marathon and requires you to begin building your own world with unique features. There are infinite opportunities to describe, so let's see what different focuses you can have. Opportunities for descriptive writing include creating new creatures, designing ecosystems with different flora and fauna, developing historical events that have occurred in your world, or even describing the cultures of new races of humanoid characters. The 5th exercise, action scenes. The final exercise here is much more mainstream. Choose an action scene from a movie or TV series and simply describe what is happening in that scene. The challenge is to not use the same word in corresponding sentences and to focus on the key moments to describe them as accurately as possible. Ways that you can mix this exercise up include using a different genre other than action, writing from different perspectives of different characters, or simply freezing the scene and seeing if you can describe the key moments at a specific point. And that, authors, is that 5 exercises to help improve your descriptive writing skills. As always, please hit that like button and think about subscribing to the channel, and keep striving to take your writing to the next level.